S is for sloth. Sloths live in the rainforests of Central and South America. Here they hang upside down from tree branches, eating leaves and moving very slowly. Can you move slowly like a sloth? S is for seahorse. Seahorses are a type of fish that swim upright and wrap their tails around weeds to stay still. Here is a leafy sea dragon, a cousin of seahorses that is beautifully camouflaged for life amongst the seaweed. S is for snake. Snakes are special types of lizard that have no legs. There are more than 3,000 types of snake alive today, from tiny thread snakes only 10 centimeters long to pythons reaching nearly 7 meters in length. S is for shoebill. The shoebill gets its name from its beak that looks like a clog. Shoebills live in the swamps of eastern Africa, where they hunt for fish. S is for starfish. How many arms does this starfish have? Can you count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Most starfish have 5 arms, but some have more. This one has 19, and you can barely see the arms under all the spines in this crown of thorns starfish. S is for Celinodon. Celinodons are burrowing, insect-eating mammals from the islands of Cuba and Hispaniola in the Caribbean. They have a long snout, and their saliva or spit is venomous, so they can give you a nasty bite. S is for starling. Have you seen a starling in your garden or through your window? These noisy, chattering birds are really entertaining to watch, and their feathers glint a beautiful green and purple in the sun.